Good day everyone. 안녕하세요. Junyon Alexusu Kachumnida. Today I'll teach you some Korean terms or pronunciations in Korean of the names or equipments that we use at home every day. So let's start. First we have sofa. In Korean it is called sopa. Sopa. Next, desk or checksang. Checksang. Next we have chair or uja. Uja. Next, clock or sigye. Sigye. Next we have pillows or begge. Begge. Next, vase, kotbyong. Kotbyong. Next, we have table. In Korean, it is takja. Takja. Next, curtain. Kyochon. Kyochon. Blanket. Ibul. Ibul. Next, fan or sonjongji. Sonpongji. Door. Moon. Moon. TV. Tube. Tube. Light. Jonryong. Jonryong. Next, bed or in Korean, chimde. Chimde. Next, frame or ekja. Ekja. Aircon or air conditioner. Aircon. Aircon. Next, drawer or dresser. Sonrajojang. Sorajojang. That are the basic words of Korean terms of equipments. Gamsamnida.